My name is Brad Basham, and I'm the owner of Good Guys Window and Glass Repair. Good Guys Window and Glass Repair is a full-service glass and window repair company. We do everything from replacing failed or broken glass to doing full-on window replacements. One of my biggest struggles is just keeping track of my calendar. I get a lot of phone calls every day, and it's hard to keep track of all the different clients that call you, tracking out their estimates versus their invoices and different things. Thryv has almost the perfect tool for that because they not only manage my calendar for me, but they also manage my estimates and my invoicing, as well as my online credit card processing. So I can literally go into a customer's home, do an estimate on the Thryv ticket, they can approve and turn it into an invoice immediately, and then I can collect payment as soon as the work is completed, all while managing it on the calendar as well. I don't have to store that information in my truck all day and then go home and try to figure out how to put it into an estimate and then send it off and then turn that into an invoice. It's all just a one-click deal. The benefit is it saves me a trip to the customer's house to collect a check. Being able to send that invoice over the internet and be able to receive that payment electronically saves me time and energy as well as fuel in my truck. My customers love being able to get on the client portal, set their own appointments, approve their own estimates, and even set up their own installs. By giving that authority to your client, it takes that off of your plate and it gives them the ability to just be a bigger part of what you're doing for them. My name is Brad Basham, and having a software like Thryv that lets me run my business on the go helps make life so much easier.